Hi, we're going to be going over the auto view settings within the CamRanger 2 app. Now today we're using an Android tablet, but you could be using an iPad, iPhone, or Mac or Windows computer. So these are accessed within the app settings in the controls section, and then under auto view you can see there's three options: off, on, and camera. Off is the default option, and I'll show you how that works. So as I take pictures, you can see thumbnails appear, but the images don't automatically display. To have them display, you need to select the thumbnail, like that. So that's the off setting. Now if we go back, again within controls, auto view, set it to on, we can see what that does. Take a couple images. And you can see not only do the thumbnails download, the images also display as well. So those two are pretty simple. Now, the camera setting is a little more advanced. That allows the photographer from the camera to be able to control which images are displayed and when they're displayed. It's important to note that this feature only works for Canon and Nikon cameras. We do support Sony and Fujifilm cameras, but for this feature, it's Nikon and Canon only. So let me go ahead and take a couple pictures again. Now, you can see the thumbnails have been downloaded, but the images don't display. To get them to display, we can control it from the camera. So if I view the image, and this is the most recent image we just took, I'll go ahead and hit the lock button. And when I do that, it triggers the image to download and display. And we can immediately go ahead and unlock the image. So if I go to the second most recent one, hit lock, you can see now that one displays. So it is a really interesting sort of option for the photographer being able to shoot from the camera and yet still have control over what's being shown on a remote device. Now, like I said, for Nikon, you can lock and unlock the image. For Canon, to trigger the transfer, you want to give the image a rating. You can immediately undo the rating, but give it a rating to trigger that transfer. So that's the auto view setting and how it works with off, on, and camera. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to check out upcoming videos, and as always, if you have any questions, just shoot us an email. Thanks.